Hello and welcome to Kuchu TV. Wow, this is a shape puzzle activity. Let's start. Our first shape is circle. Let's find circle. Oh, here is the circle. Pink color. Circle. Let's put it here. Our next shape is square. Let's find square. Here is the square. Black color. Let's put it here. Our next shape is triangle. Let's find triangle. Here. Here is the triangle. Yellow color. Let's put it here. Our next shape is rectangle. Let's find rectangle. Here is the rectangle. Green color. Let's put it here. Our next shape is pentagon. Let's find pentagon. Here is the pentagon. Brown color. Let's put it here. Our next shape is diamond. Let's find diamond. Yes. Here is the diamond. Gray color. Let's put it here. Our next shape is hexagon. Let's find hexagon. Here is the hexagon. Orange color. Let's put it here. Our next shape is trapezium. Let's find trapezium. Here is the trapezium. Red color. Let's put it here. Our next shape is star. Let's find star. Here is the star. Sky blue color. Let's put it here. Let's practice once again. Pink color, circle. Black color, square. Yellow color, triangle. Green color, rectangle. Brown color, pentagon. Gray color, diamond. Orange color, hexagon. Red color, trapezium. Sky blue color, star. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.